How to change username in Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the top, you can see your username. Now, in order to change or make different edits, here on the top, tap on the username. So this is the place where you can easily change the username. Simply tap on it. Now here you can easily write a new username that you want to display. At last, here on the right top, tap on the save button. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, it has been changed. Now it's all set to go. So the username is completely changed and it's saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.